You been drinking tonight?
No.
No. Step out of the car.
No.
Okay. I just have to tell you. That's all. So how much have you had to drink tonight?
You're demanding too many things.
No, you're not listening to anything, so.
No, I don't want to listen to anything. You're right. There you go. Put your wallet back on. I'm testing you. And test me.
Alright, just get out of the car.
I'm testing you. So
Why,
let's
by
go.
Sitting there? Just get out
Yes, yes, by sitting here.
Just get out of the car.
No.
Babe, you have no other option.
You're gonna step out of the car and do field sobriety test? Or no?
Who's doing test?
Alright, stop. Put your hand behind your back.
No, why are we out here?
We're trying to catch it.
You're what?
Trying to get you these things.
Okay.
Alright, we gotta open
Yeah, of course she's up and talking. Alright, why don't you get out of the car?
Alright.
You been drinking tonight?
No.
No?
No.
Did you use anything tonight?
No.
No? Alright, shut your car off. No, she's up. No, she's up. What's going on?
Nothing.
No? Alright, well, we got a call that you're playing real loud music and I come up to the car and you're passed out.
So what's wrong with that?
Well, that's an issue.
No, it's not.
Okay. Well, you're clearly under the influence. You're clearly under the influence of something. I had a.
How?
What's that?
How?
How? Because I can smell alcohol.
Okay.
Okay.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Right. So.
Okay. So
clearly
wait,
doing
stay
what?
right there. Stay right there.
Nothing.
Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Let me see it.
When I'm ready, I
Nope.
will.
Give me your ID.
Hey, shut the car off for now, okay?
Here, grab this.
Can you shut the car off?
That was a bad move.
No other.
I thought
Let me see your
smarter
ID.
than you did.
What's that?
I thought smarter than you did. You want my ID?
Yeah. You have your ID on you?
Yeah, come get it.
Let me see.
361 medics too.
Negative.
Top rounders was requested.
What's up? Okay. Oh, perfect. Alright, why don't you step out of the car?
No.
What's up? Oh, yeah, okay. Perfect. What are you reaching for? Chips?
Right?
Okay, yeah, you have your ID?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what you want, right?
Yep. No, your ID is underneath you here.
Yeah.
You're sitting on it. No, you're sitting.
Where I'm at. I'm sitting where I'm sitting. And you're waking me up and you're disturbing my peace. So please take your life.
Listen, the reason we were here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please turn that light off.
Listen, the reason we're here is because you were sitting here playing real loud music.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm allowed to do what I want to do.
Well, no, because you were disturbing the peace. So.
How not?
Why don't you put that down? Thank you. Alright. Let's show you my body camera's on, okay? Just have to let you know that. Okay? I just have to tell you, that's all. So how much have you had to drink tonight? How much alcohol have you had? Other than these 2 little airplane bottles, because that just fell out of your car when you opened the door, so. It did. When you just opened the door, it just fell out because it wasn't there when I walked up.
It was.
No. Why don't you give me your ID? Give me your ID, please. You're sitting on it.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, you're just putting your jacket on?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm cold.
Okay, that's fine. I need your ID.
You're demanding too many things.
No, you're not listening to anything, so.
No, I don't want to listen to anything. You're right. There you go. Put your wallet back on. And I'll put mine back on.
Let me see your ID.
You just wasted both of me and your time. You just did what I wanted you to do.
Listen, either give me your ID or I'm just going to take you out of the car and place you under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay? So you can pick one. We'll start with that. Thank you. Where do you live at? Where do you live? No? Okay, what brought you up here?
My ID.
Okay. Why don't you step out of the car and we'll do some field sobriety tests. Come on out of the car. And I'm not asking you anymore. Just get out of the car.
No, thank you. I have my key.
No.
Yes. Goodbye. You're wrong. Now step out of my way, please.
Get out of your car.
No.
Get out of the car.
No. This is why the law wants me so bad.
Man, we gotta do some tests.
We have.
Yeah, I'm testing you. And test me.
All right, just
So
get out
I'm
of the
testing
car.
you. So
Why,
let's
by sitting
go.
there? Just get out of the
Yes, yes, by sitting here. That's right. Thank you.
He's ordering you out of the car, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Either
and I'm
get out of the
sitting
either
here,
get out of the
I'm
car. Or
sitting
I'm going to
here.
drag you out of the car and you're going to go in handcuffs. So you can either come out and cooperate, or I'm just going to pull you out of the
I'm
car.
trying to work with you.
Work with me.
Just get out of the car.
No.
Babe, you have no other option here. You can,
Either get out of the car willfully, or I'm just going to pull you out of the car.
and then you're going to be under arrest. So those are your options.
For what?
Obstruction.
Under arrest for what?
Obstruction of justice.
For ordering you.
Where is that?
We're giving you a lawful order to step out
Where
of the
is
vehicle.
the obstruction of justice?
You're not
you're not getting out of the
listening. You're not
vehicle.
listening to us. I'm telling you to get out of the car.
Right.
Okay. So either get out now, or I'm just going to pull you out of the car.
And then you're
That's the
under
wrong
arrest.
And then you're gonna-
moving the wrong way. And
Okay,
you're
so but
moving
we're
the
asking
wrong
you.
way.
We're asking you.
And you're gonna put the light on the wrong way.
Listen, we're asking you.
Right.
You get out. Okay.
So what? You want me to start
Like
the
an
car?
adult.
No, just get out of the car. Just get out of the car
So
so we
get
can
out
do
of the
some
vehicle.
tests.
No.
Or if you're not going to listen, I'm just going to put you under arrest.
Who's doing tests?
Stop. Put your hand behind your back.
To my right.
Set up.
Moving up.
Stay right there. Don't move.
We gave you ample opportunity.
I want to sit. I will stand where I want to stand. So what? My back is against the wall. What do you need? What else? To smack my head? Huh?
We don't want to do that.
But you